Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in blue streak. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front with the chrome bumper there. You do also have halogen quad headlights right there, and coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our open country tires. They look great. Still lots of tread left on them. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming around to the back of the vehicle we got a 5-foot box. You get the chrome bumper along the bottom there, and you do have lots of room back here as well. Looks fantastic. Painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and you have lots of room for hauling. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. So let's take a look on the inside here. On the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You have your handle, another handle there, and some storage just down there. Looks great in here as well. Very soft, very comfortable. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. And right up here we do have our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, 48,000, not too bad at all. Now you can also switch that around a bit from your speedometer to your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, you got your trip A and B. You also have your messages, screen set up. Then you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. You got all those controls right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. You got your gear shift right here, just like that. Looks great. Over here we do have our 5-inch touchscreen display, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there. You got your media tabs if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, USB, or aux cord. You got your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You got your compass, settings, and your more. Volume up and down, mute, screen off, back button, and your browser there. Down here you have the controls over your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel lock, and your 4-wheel low, as well as your neutral right there. Then over here we do have our hazard lights, our heat up and down with the circulation, AC, hot, heat and cold there. And then you also have your where it's going to blow out of right there. You have your traction control and tow and haul mode there. A little bit of storage here, some storage over there, and a plug-in down there. A little bit of storage right there. 3 cup holders in the center, plus you got your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders there, and an aux cord and a USB plug-in right over there. You can close this up, open it up, and you got another seat underneath there, so it does hold 6 people all together. Top layer glove box, and your bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it, and it looks great. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. You got the controls over your windows, got your handle, another handle, and some more storage. Same material as the front back here. It looks fantastic, very comfortable, and you can easily sit your 3 people back here. You can lift this up. You got some storage just underneath there with some cup holders. You also have some storage just underneath there and on the other side. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around via the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.